Well, I want you to get a video of it spraying.
I don't know where it is.
Oh, get in.
There it is.
Okay, let's get closer. Oh, it sucks.
What? Oh, I thought it turned off. I was like, that'd suck.
Okay. So, film it leaking.
Yep. Oh wait, sorry. Okay, I locked it now.
Why don't you get closer?
Okay.
Oh, it's cold water. I need a light where I'm working.
Sorry. So what are you doing now?
I'm trimming the rubber gasket material to fit around the leak. I might have trimmed it too much. And then I'm going to thread these in.
There's water in my shoes. Yay! I don't even know if the phone's really picking this up. Like, I'm pointing at it, but I don't know if it can see what we're doing.
If not, that's alright.
We know.
It's right.
Oh. Got me in the face.
That's what I want to do. So now I'm going to tighten it up. And if all goes well, it'll stop spraying.
So how are you going to fix it?
I wish that wasn't right in the corner. Actually, you know what I can do?
Oh.
Very frustrating.
Oh. Oh, it's so close. Yatta! Still a small drip, but it's nothing like the spray.
That's why I have 2. Oh, it's slipping off.
I know you guys can't see, but since we're in the crawl space and that spray's been going on so long, we're standing in mud, a giant puddle.
Okay, get a good feel of this here. I might still have a little bit of a leak, but it's not spraying everywhere.
Give us enough time to fix it, right?
Okay, stop your video.